Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you a new crochet pattern. I don't know what it's called originally, but I love it and it's so easy. The most fun part, you crochet 3 rows at once. Let's get it started. I'm using rainbow cotton and 4mm hook. Any number of foundation chains, make as wide as you want. So skip the very first one chain from the hook, and into the second one we're going to make a one single crochet. So put one single crochet into the each chain across. This is how it looks like when we finish first row. We're going to start second row. I'm making 4 chain, 2, 3 and 4. So turn your work, skip one chain from the hook, and into the second one we're gonna grab one, yarn over, insert your hook into the loop, pull up the yarn, and now you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert your hook into the next one, now you have 6. We're going to skip this one, into the next one we're gonna actually yarn over, insert your hook into the next one and pull up the yarn. Now you have 8 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops out, yarn over, pull through another 3 loops on your hook, yarn over. Again, we're going to pull through 3 loops on your hook and yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. This is how it's work. So I'm going to make the same pattern but into the space right here, and we're going to skip one. I'll show you how to do it. Insert your hook into the space right here, pull up the yarn. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over. Insert your hook into the space, pull up the yarn. Now you have 4 loops, yarn over. Insert your hook and pull up the yarn. Now you have 6. We're going to skip here and into the next one. We're going to yarn over. Insert your hook and pull up the yarn. Now you have 8 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops again. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook. This is how it's work. You can keep going until you reach the end. This is how it looks like, very nice and neat, and it's very fast too. So next row I'm going to make a 1 chain and turn your work. The next 2 rows are single crochet only. 1 single crochet in each stitch across 4 next 2 rows. After those 2 rows, 2 single crochet rows, repeat the special cluster row again. The chain 4 row with the 8 loops cluster. Then do the 2 single crochet rows again. So 1 cluster row, then 2 single crochet row, and so on. Continue up the length you want, fasten off, wave in the end when you are done. keep your turns even so its class to look neat. If you lose count, stop and repeat loop on your hook before pulling through. Let's make a lovely textured fabric great for the scarf, blanket or bag. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this pattern, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want this turned into full written pattern. And see you next time.